Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're all about transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Today, we're diving into the world of balcony decor, bringing you a collection of innovative ideas to turn your outdoor space into a true oasis. Whether you have a cozy apartment balcony or a spacious terrace, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's create a cozy comfort corner. Arrange a plush outdoor rug, some floor cushions, and a small side table for your morning coffee or evening read. Hang string lights overhead to create a magical ambience. Now, let's bring the outdoors in with a vertical garden paradise. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, and trellises to showcase an array of vibrant plants. This not only adds a touch of nature, but also maximizes your limited space. Embrace the boho chic trend by mixing patterns, textures, and colors. Hang a hammock chair for a relaxing nook, add floor poofs, and drape sheer curtains for that dreamy vibe. Don't forget to add a variety of potted plants for that free-spirited feel. For those who love a clean and serene aesthetic, the minimalist Zen Zone is for you. Choose sleek furniture pieces, such as a low-profile seating set, and use a neutral color palette. Incorporate a tabletop water fountain for soothing background sounds. Elevate your dining experience with a bistro-style setup. Opt for a compact dining table and chairs, maybe even a foldable one for easy storage. Hang a stylish pendant light for intimate evening meals, and consider adding a chalkboard wall for personal touches. Let's get crafty with a DIY palette paradise. Use repurposed palettes to create a comfy sofa, complete with cushions and pillows. Add a rustic coffee table and finish off with a variety of potted plants to infuse a natural feel. Bring the beach to your balcony with a coastal escape design. Use light blues, sandy neutrals, and nautical accents. Hang a hammock, add a small sand area with a bucket of seashells, and enjoy your personal coastal retreat. And there you have it, a plethora of balcony decor ideas to ignite your creativity and transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and style. Remember, your balcony is an extension of your home, so make it uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own balcony transformations in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!